Given the current climate, it is very important for you to both look after your mental and physical health. With the restrictions now starting to lift, our service fitness facilities are now open for business and RAF fitness testing is now taking place. To help you with this, our PTIs have now created a fitness package to support you in returning to your full fitness and achieving your best. Most importantly, this is to support your health and overall fitness and well-being. The RAF Return to Fitness package will offer you exercise demonstrations, advice and RAF fitness test hints and tips for you to succeed. This fitness package also includes additional information on nutrition for exercise and information about the benefits that you will gain whilst exercising in a gymnasium or an open space. Therefore, I encourage you to take every opportunity to access our service gyms and open spaces and ask you that please take the time to engage with your unit PED staff. Most importantly, please look after yourselves. People are the RAF.